ABI Multifamily is pleased to present the Magnolia Manor Apartments, located at 2669 through 2673 Magnolia Avenue, just west of Bond Street. Magnolia Manor is an 8-unit apartment complex located in the very desirable San Diego submarket of Pacific Beach, or better known as PP to most San Diegans. Built in 1952, Magnolia Manor is conveniently located just minutes from the world-renowned beaches of Mission and Pacific Beach, as well as the recreational opportunities available on Mission Bay, the country's largest aquatic park. 1 block west of the property is access to Mission Bay Bike Trail, which offers riders 12 miles of flat, scenic paths along the bay and beaches. Additionally, there is convenient access to Interstate 5, Interstate 8, and Highway 52. The property consists of a great unit mix of 6 junior 1-bedroom units and a 2-story structure in the rear, and 2 2-bedroom units and a single-story duplex located in the front of the property facing Magnolia Avenue. There are 8 off-street parking spaces accessed from the alleyway, as well as a common coin-op laundry room with equipment that is owned by the property. The new owner will inherit a property that has benefited by several recent capital improvements completed in early 2018. The upgrades include all new doors and windows throughout, as well as all new fascia on both buildings. In addition, all of the unit interiors have been remodeled, including fresh bathrooms, durable flooring, appliances, and interior wood trim treatments, including wainscoting, to create a beach cottage feel with upgraded two-tone paint. The outstanding condition of this property, coupled with the dynamic, high-demand location of Pacific Beach, has created a desirable turnkey investment opportunity for someone who craves a property that consists of apartment homes that are easy to manage and will provide stable income with lower-than-average vacancy and maintenance costs for years to come. There is an adjacent 14-unit apartment property that can be purchased together or separately with this offering. Contact the listing broker for more information on this opportunity. To access the document vault and all due diligence materials, including the offering memorandum, please visit our website at abimultifamily.com or contact Eric Turner or Patrick Doyle.